Welcome to this Python crash course. In this Python crash course, I'm going to teach you Python start to end. In this course, I'm going to cover some important topics like variable, data types, comment, boolean, function, and many more. And also we're going to do some exercises. So now let's talk about Python. Python is the popular programming language in the world. It was created in 1991. With Python, we can do web development, software development, system scripting, machine learning, data science, and many more. We can do a lot of things with Python. If you want to use Python, then you have to download Python. If you want to know how to download Python, then guys, please make sure to watch this video. You will find the link of this video in the description. After downloading Python, I recommend you to download VS Code. Also, you can download other text editor, but in this course, I'm going to use VS Code. Now we are ready for this course. So guys, now that's it. So guys, please make sure to subscribe this channel and just press the bell icon. If you want to get more videos like this, then guys, please make sure to subscribe, and guys, please access this playlist. Then guys, all the links of this video are given below. So guys, now thanks for watching. For now, see you next time. Bye bye.